Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
I believe sir, you shape that discussion towards these lines are a bit to me abuama sebio yetimi enya bibi pama mabunu. Na nya kwa mekani say share research here. One of the things I take it for granted. And no akra sophisticated kakra say people begin to question the mindset of Ankara whether they understand certain matters in this country. But this research number me who say ambitions are your mabu no one and I Ankara no one. I was no power. And they are very deep when it comes to their thinking and understanding on national matters. So OPK issues on corruption say they are looking at the basic and fundamental thing. They didn't even almost limiting it to say be a send your kind no politicians are corrupt. And I say if they look at the societal behavior of people to justify say ebia and never be say we and no constitute corruption. And these are the fundamental things that yet me resolve here at the top level no so no and never be betimi I resolve it because they say oko baby now ko to adea what to adea na finipa na ho na wie no in other countries you know o manipa na taper it's a gift but they say you know there's a high expectation say what to adea na at all cost and so odi bibi to femansana work so nipa na develop a certain attitude ni adea and to be any who has say oh yeah it will be deemed as a service. But anything that somebody does to you, or even on the person's own will, no crana, the person is expecting say, "Obe to me, Eddie Bibia to Hansana Wako." So if children are beginning to develop that kind of mindset, Mijidi say, "Ebeha or minor that and it also affect their level of pride now, or more or more." These are things that made Mijidi say, once we are able to deal with those issues now, you bet me, I'm some no so SCP. Na near tosso ni say no akra am say ofasame eka ho asem the engagement with young people.
Yeah,
I think that we have failed in that direction and I'll partly blame politicians for that because we only see them engaging young people when during elections or when they serve their agenda, and as almost set the agenda beyond person young people. Again, also know there are other people being so might take advantage of that space to engage young people in certain areas like Abia Ubiasa Sedaho, Kofia Sumame. Now, or the young people now got to agenda and so be about assassin Hubiano, Neopibia Fire. So gradually, no, we are building their mindset towards a certain violence. Bia Sebe, and nona ebet me amoa survive. And nona Mijidi says we should be able to engage the minds of young people rightly. Senior almost be who say near cost or memuhano or motias here because there's a lot of information and crano pick you on the grounds because we are not engaging them no. They have their own interpretation to some of these things as to whether I don't never serve one. Because Osha reasons and crano why they feel that we have freedom of speech. Everyone can say yes, obi to me social media so. Otimi didi openi bi atam obi anya na hwe enti ono so nyi na se ofi se opasem bi aka obi eni obetie no na okura phone na so betimi ago social media kwa ko didi obi atam a and ne be na feel good and also be feel say is part of society obey because at the point in the life of young people bi ano they crave for attention. And you know, if you don't find ways and means to engage that level of to give them that recognition, they will use other means, papa, but the results but will not be beneficial to the state and all that. And you know, Mestre, they discuss this answer me way. Osha research, no, so they didn't limit to a certain class of people. They are looking at how society should behave.
yeah.
And you know, all of us, parents, I say it means I was one ye medium como. Or memuhano, I don't know, ye ni ankora ni nkomo. Of a I can say in Korea Juma for more than 17 years in you know. You see, they are so timid. Ghanaian children are so timid to the extent that because we don't have that engagement with them. Some of them are so smart, but as I say, engagement with them, you know, we limit them in terms of what they can do, and then we begin to also profess what we feel that they should do and all that. And a lot of them have acquired university degrees They are into all kinds of professions as in the normal circumstances, that's not where they want to be.
But if you can say Mebuno Ankasa no bebre akwadro bebre sumpe dwumadene esane senia yemamu aye omufi say get rich quick or die trying and no na ba be ye mantra and I say kasa dom anu omde ye omde bom bra wo ye research na yunhwehwemu no muhu sa de ebiom.
Yeah, come here and I was so surprised and crowd you be so say what exactly do they need in life to succeed?
Mhm.
I mean, the first thing that they mention is hard work. Hard work. Young people want to work.
They do?
Yes.
But then the question is, what kind of work?
Exactly. That is where they will need to, because the energy in them, no matter how it is, they will use it.
Mhm.
But if you don't give them a direction as to how they should use it, they will use it in every form. Come to me who akwabi pa na me who no small boy bi. Yes, we do be power internet so far. Who akwara na? Na ohwe nipa na yes we do no pa na. You ask yourself, say, how is this little boy been able to do all those things? But they are channeling their energy to a certain year. Mejidi said, we have to rekindle the energy that they have, so that we can redirect it. I don't think, say, Ghana mebu omoye akwadro. I don't believe in that. But just that, pe baby for more energy no AC intino. Anything available that will give them resources, they will do that. Because sometimes some of them do it not because of say bia isikano benyano, but or yeah because ebia obi aya manaye aye bibie so nti on say ono so yebi no do it is a level now person ono so do no. Because of the lifestyle will be to me sigano akwakotoka, because we have made them believe say once when you sika wakotoka udemu, it means that you have a certain status in society. But that's not the kind of mindset I see a building the mindset here.
Nipe bebre akasa semi Mekaya Kennedy Japan, member of parliament for is it Asin Central or Asin South? I'm not too sure. Sami Kennedy MP Asin Central. Kennedy Japan MP Asin Central. Wakasa semi peng. Meaning ono akan bedwema nipa bebre ate. But other people so I can say Eslowusu Ekufo MP Ablekuma West Minister Communications ono so aka peng. Se emebunu ni bi wo hwa se oko form some be adwuma. Ebi they take them off the streets.
Yeah.
Na of perform some be adwuma. Se regimented style of adwuma no obe so no pa obe dware obe kwa adwuma obe clocking in obe ye say ebi a factory adwuma. Oba so madwane. Esa say ofi say wo hye no so wo chichire no because o color require so a ebia ne 10 cedis a day ne 20 cedis a day obenya ba de ne ba be hye ho no oba ma na adwuma a obeya ansa na bosome say ebia 800 cedis bi no apa ma na bibi entin ema omuntumi sa discipline of environment a so tumi ye adwuma entin ama nipa ni bi fi say emebunu no bi so yakwadworo 1 2 omo penentem me hwe se line so menya papa bi a we bie fish farming factory e was central regional.
Yeah.
I also complaining sometimes member ni bi wo ha or say a moment direction. I don't know, so we did you come across that?
Yeah, Kwame, it's obvious. You see, so Obi, I don't know how we manage our transitions and our rehabilitation programs.
Yeah.
So Obi our try bontiache, why beg our bontiache, pa na so manage obeboka.
Okay.
Because you need to rehabilitate the person to understand the new environment no kono. But sometimes we just pick say manage. But we have failed to go into the history of baby and nipani fiba no.
And in the enti onam kwan.
Ni enti onam kwan ho no. And sana you began to work in the mindset of nipa and sana wetimi aba say man. But in most cases no, you pick nipa na you feel so owo kwan so de bia me fi obedo me fi a. I don't know, but I can tell you, Kwame, there are a number of Nkrumah Street news ambitions or more. And yet ambitious culture, they need skills to be able to fit into certain job market. And you know, that rehabilitation program is very, very, very important. I will never subscribe to say obi jumebi or begi or kwano ma kofa na sebe ko me de no kwa to factory directly. No. If so o pese obua sa mabuna, there should be a rehabilitation program.
No one tears here near into
No,
your just a transition period.
Transition period is very, very early, but in most cases, no, our businessmen or we need that patient to
Yeah.
manage that transition period. Into no movie say or do crochet juma mobe. Any day I can tell you, all the 100 or call. One show you can nipa me nupa nebeka wage mumo.
Interestingly.
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?